morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, March 30th, 2022.
Please stand for the Pledge of Safe Flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 70 degrees and a low of 51 degrees with a 61% chance of rain.
Today in history. In 1964, the game show Jeopardy debuts on television.
In the headlines, new John Deere tractors plow day and night with no one in the cab. John Deere, the world's largest farming implements producer, just unveiled a self-driving tractor to plow Americans' acreage by day or night without a driver. Unveiled at the Consumer Technology Association, the CES convention 2022 in Las Vegas. John Deere have said that the 8R tractor will enable farmers to place seeds, spread nutrients, and harvest their crops without having to touch the steering wheel.
Wow. Today's fun fact is competitive art used to be in the Olympics.
What? Wow. Today's lunch options are fish sticks or mac and cheese.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Bailey, why did the football coach go to the bank?
I don't know why.
To get his quarterback.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Bailey.
And I'm Parker. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.